Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Hey, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe.
Moje słowa uświadomiły mi, że nie mam serca. Czego się po mnie spodziewasz, jak jestem jeszcze dzieciak? Wybacz mi mała, uwierz, ja uczę się na błędach. Twoje paznokcie zostały.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me. So this video is about how I clean off my makeup and how I prep my face for the night. If you're interested in it, definitely keep on watching. The first thing I do is I'll just take off these babies. The next thing I will go for is my wipes. This is the Neutrogena wipe. Before using this Neutrogena wipes, I apply coconut oil all over my makeup and use wipes, baby wipes, to clean it off. This works perfectly as removal of makeup. I'm going to go in with another one. Now that I'm done wiping my face with the makeup remover, I go in with my bathing soap first. After wetting it, just to make sure there's no products on my face. There's not any makeup product on my face. Wash it off with warm water. Now that I'm done with that, I pack my face with dry towel. The next thing I'll be going in with is the peeling gel, just to exfoliate my skin. Then I start by putting it all over my face to bring out to like this. And I rinse that off. I go in with my Neutrogena detox, skin detox. After applying that on my face, I go in with this just to scrub my face to make sure I don't have any products inside my pores, and yeah. I try as much as possible to do 1 minute roll. So dry with a towel. The next thing I'll be doing is to take little coconut oil, then go in with this product again with this, put it on eye and massage my face for blood circulation. So once I'm done with that, I go in with my cream. Rub my face. Added this argan oil and tea tree oil, and for us to call it a night, I go in to my all-time lip balm. Yeah, we are done for the night, we are done for the day, we are ready to sleep. Basically, yeah, that's what I do to take off my makeup. My face feels like a baby's butt. It's so soft. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified once I drop another video. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to tell your friend to tell your friend to subscribe. Hey, tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend to subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself, as we say in this channel. Bye.